Now we're gonna start learning about trial balance and continue our example to the next step. Trial balance is the third step in the accounting cycle. It's a list of all ledger account balance at specific day. Each account name and it's a debit balance or credit balance. Trial balance doesn't mean no errors, but it's a report that prove total debits equal total credits. From the trial balance, we're gonna prepare income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Now we're gonna start with the trial balance, the third step in the accounting cycle, and it's the first report from the reports and statement. It's not a table like general ledger and not entries like journal entries. What we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the balances from the general ledger and post it here to check our math is correct or not. To remind you, it doesn't mean our work is correct, it just means if it's balance, our math is correct. Now we're gonna bring them. What is debit? We put it in the debit side. What's credit? We're gonna put it in the credit side. Start with cash, bank, account receivable, equipment, account payable, which is a credit, but here there is no positive or negative number, all positive, so we put a minus sign. For capital, same thing, and for sale also same thing. The rest is debit accounts, purchase, and the other expense, rent, internet, and phone, and the last one, utilities. As you see, the debit total is 4000, credit total 4000. Our math is correct, and the trial balance is balanced. Now we're gonna start with the first statement in the financial statements, the income statements.